Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haneeda binti Muhammad Idris from DLH 7A. Today, I want to present my presentation board from site introduction until idea development. Before we start, basically, presentation boards are tools to showcase the work. This is a way to attract clients into the process and methods, providing an overall summary and vision for the project. Okay, now we proceed with the first part, which is site introduction. In site introduction, it have the information about the site, such as location, history, and existing site condition. So the site background, the history of the site before this was a oil palm plantation. This site, known as Pangsapuri Rimau Perdana Community Park, is the one of attraction place for community nearby and perform various of activities such as jogging, swimming, badminton, and youth spend their time at playground. So the site location is located at center of apartment area. So the owner is Joint Management Body, JMB, is the one responsible for the maintenance and management of the building and common property in strata development project. So the first picture shows the panoramic view of swimming pool, and then the view from top house, illegal motorcycle road, playgrounds like facilities, and illegal parking motorcycle. So the key plan show the maps of Shah Alam, and the location plan show the maps of Bukit Rimau, and this one is site plan is the site plan of community park at Pangsapuri Rimau Perdana. Second point is site inventory. The site inventory is the record data of the project by identify the problems and potential of the site. So the first point is contextual study. Contextual study is anything that surrounding area into site. So for this site is have construction building, a view from sport court area, and then the abandoned housing view from playground slide area, and then the last one is abandoned apartment view from swing set area. So the flora, so for flora, it have many variety of plant in this site such as Citrostestirenda, Menifera indica, Cocos nucifera, Morus alba, and Carica papaya. So the topography. Topography is the study of the form and land surface. So the topography in this site is flat surface. Oh, for drainage, it has two types of drainage, which is manhole and covered drainage. So the function of manhole is facilitating sewer inspection and maintenance. And then the function of covered drainage is to prevent environmental contamination. Then in this site had swimming pool. So this photo show the water inlet and outlet of the swimming pool. Next is soil. So the types is silty soil, and then the texture is smooth, and then the pH value range 5 until 6.5 pH, which is acid soil. Next is utilities. Utilities are essential services that play a vital role in economic and social development. So for example, at this site have street lamp and manhole. Next is facilities. Facilities are something element such as a place or equipment used for particular purpose or activity. So for example, at this site, first is badminton court. The condition has a dangerous surface surrounding court area. Material is concrete and had a 3 quantity at the site. Second is bench. The condition of bench is the concrete at this bench surface has broken. So the material is concrete and it has 3 quantity. And then thirdly is playground slide. So condition has a road surface and had vandalism. Material is high density polyethylene and quantity is wine. And fourth, gazebo. The condition of gazebo has a faded paint color. Material is concrete and wood, and it have two gazebo in this side. Fifth is swing set. Condition in good condition. Material is LLDPE engineering plastic, galvanized pipes, iron steel, and it have two quantity. So lastly is swimming pool. Condition in good condition. Material is concrete, natural stone, and plastic. So it have one swimming pool at this side. Next is social study. In this chart, show the children are the most likely to use this community park compared to teenagers and adults. User and activities. So types of user is children. So the activities that children doing is playing, swimming, and walking. So for the adult, the activity the adult doing is jogging and playing sport. And then lastly for teenagers, they do swimming and picnic. Next is microclimate. Microclimates show the sunset and sunrise. So for this side, court and playground area is more exposed to sunlight at the morning. And swing set area is more exposed to sunlight at the evening. So the circulation from the site plan have shown the circulation where the user can enter and exit from the guardhouse at certain place. So at this site plan can show the microclimate of evening sunlight and morning sunlight. So it have shown the wind direction also, and the entrance and exit, and then the vehicle circulation and human circulation. Next is space. So the table show the active function at certain place in this site. So the function of active space is the user usually use this area either playing playground, picnic, and walking. So time is morning and evening. So for semi-active, only use in this area when active part is full of user, and user at swimming pool only use it on weekend. So time is morning and evening. So from the site plan, show the active and semi-active area. So architecture study is the building nearby of the site. For example, at the site is apartment. So the apartment have a 3 quantity, and then the color is orange, peach. Condition is good, and then the architecture style is colonial. So the lastly is visual study. The visual study can discuss about landscape element that have flora, color, and hardscape. So for the first picture, the flora is red 2, color 2, hardscape 2. Second picture is flora is 3, color 2, and hardscape 2. And then the third picture is flora is 2, color is 2, hardscape is 1. So we move to site analysis. Site analysis is evaluate the collected data from inventory and suggestion the appropriate solution for problem solving. So first one is microclimate. The red square shows the site that most exposed to sunlight can make uncomfortable environment. So it should be proposed with shade element. And then architecture study. User can see the view from the window view towards the site. So it should be at focal point. Topography. The flat surface is good and should be at cover surface. Utilities and facilities. Street lamp did not provide a good lighting, so it should do maintenance. And then court area, it is not safe for kids to play because the surrounding of court is rocky surface. So it should put the borders. And then is the playground area. The surface area is not safe when children is playing, so it should be changed surfaces with suitable materials. Okay, for the circulation of vehicle can disturb the community pupil. Should be close the entrance and exit for vehicle. So for flora, the plant is suitable and can give the shape for the site. So it should be retained. Next is site synthesis. Site synthesis is summarized of analysis into design solution form to support with ideation graphing of the proposed ideas. So for the first picture, have three solutions. So the plan is for provide shade on site that have been exposed to sunlight, and then propose net to make a border that can avoid an injury because of surrounding court have rocky surface, and propose safety surfacing material at playground area to avoid any badly injured. Second picture have post solution. Street lamp need to do maintenance because when cloudy weather, we do not want anything bad will happen. And then, because of this site is located center at apartment area, so it should be provide a focal point such as propose a gazebo and walkway. And then proposed grass to recover the existing surface. And then proposed road divider to stop the circulation the vehicle that can disturb the pupil in this site. Lastly is idea development board. Idea development refer about the design goal, objective, and concept that to be integrated into the proposed design supporting with the design team. First, site issue. Issue at this site is lack of user visit this site due to unsafety facilities. So the design goal is propose an active community park that can provide a unique design with a good landscape scenery. So the objective. So based on the design goal, that objective is the one that you can achieve, such as consider a proper circulation for all the space in this site, provide facilities elements that use durable materials and user-friendly characteristics, build a focal point area to attract the user with a unique design. Design theme. So what is the theme that I want to put in this site? The design theme that I want to put in this site is modern contemporary. Modern design is referred to the specific time period from the early to mid-20th century. Contemporary design does not refer to a specific period of time. It is constantly evolving to reflect the popular styles of present-day design. The combination of this theme can give a relaxing area and more safety for users at this site. Next is concept. Concept is foundational ideas behind the design that conveys design meaning, character, and uniqueness. So the concept that I want to integrate in this site is Running Man. Running Man represents one of the most popular variety shows in Korea that had 7 members. Each member had different characters that can describe love, strong, and talented in one show. Same goes to the site will be built strongly, lovely, and had a talented idea for landscape elements and features for user. Conceptual diagram. In conceptual diagram, I can describe Running Man in 2 parts, which is games and character. Example character in Running Man is Sparta. Sparta can describe about the strength. So the strength can provide a sport area and exercise area. So for the sport area, can propose a court, and then for the exercise area, can propose a fitness apparatus. Second is restarter. Restarter can describe about circulation and then can propose a walkway. Thirdly is easy brother. Easy brother describe about sociable. So sociable can provide a gathering area. So gathering area can propose a bench. Fourth is man leader. The man leader is intended the leader in running man teams. So it can provide a focal point. So focal point it can propose gazebo and splashback. And lastly is Monday couple. Monday couple describe about beauty and lovely. So the beauty scenery can propose a flowering plant. Next is scheme. For challenging, can describe about talented. So talented people have a more information. So more information can propose and decide is side nash element. So for enjoy, enjoy can describe cheerful and leisure. So for the cheerful can propose a play space area. And then for leisure can propose a picnic area which is flexible lawn space and propose plants material. And then the last one is journey. Journey can provide a trace and for jogging area. Last one is functional diagram. The functional diagram show each space area at her function area. For example, at this side have sport area, focal point, picnic area, fitness apparatus, play space area, and gathering area. In this side also show about the circulation. So that's all from me. Thank you.